Hey everyone, got your new Chase debit card in the mail, and activating it takes less than 2 minutes using the Chase mobile app. Here's exactly how to do it. So first of all, you have to log into your Chase account, like giving your username and password here, and you have to click on sign in. And after that, you have to go to your account dashboard. Once you're in, tap on the checking account linked to you the new debit card, and you have to find the card activation option. Like, you'll usually see a prompt at the top saying activate your card. If not, tap the three dot menu on your account screen and look for credit activate card, or go to manage debit card. And after that, you have to confirm and activate the card, and once done, you'll get a confirmation message instantly. And after that, you have to set your pin. If you haven't set a pin yet, you can do it right on the app under manage debit card and change pin, or by the call bar, or by calling the number of the back of the card. And make sure to sign the back of your card and consider adding it to your digital wallet for quick tap to pay access. That's it. Your Chase debit card is now activated and ready to use online, in store, or in at any ATMs. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.